Welcome back. Once you have selected an email sending service, you will want to create a specific list or, in the case of MailChimp, audience in order to collect the names associated with your book practice. Now, for the sake of this video, we have already created an audience inside of MailChimp. What you will do is you will go to the area where you can create a specific list, and you will create the separate list for your book customers. Now, inside of MailChimp, you'll be asked for a specific audience name. You'll be asked for a specific default from email address. That means that when you use the service in order to send emails, you want to have an email that the individuals will see as the sender. You'll also want to have a specific sending name. One of the things you'll want to consider is whether or not you're going to want to have your customers to double opt in. That means that they'll need to confirm before they're actually added to your email sending service list before you can send emails by the service. And depending on where you do business in the world, you may want to enable GDPR fields. You'll want to determine that based on the laws in your country and where you do business. Now, every email sending service is going to be different in terms of what they notify you for. You can determine what that's going to be by checking these individual boxes depending on how you want to be notified. Once you have created your list, you'll then be ready to begin using it in order to collect names and email addresses in the different ways in which you do business. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.